Ready to make someone's day in 2025? Discover the absolute best tech gifts that will leave them speechless. This year's holiday season is set to be unforgettable with gadgets so cool, they'll instantly become new favorites. We've scoured the market for the ultimate, "I can't believe you got this for me" presents. Don't wait to grab these incredible items. Find links in the description below to buy them early and secure the perfect surprise. Prepare for jaw-dropping reactions with our top picks for the best tech gifts. Number 1. The AirPods Pro 3 delivering unparalleled audio immersion and smart features that put other earbuds to shame. Number 2. Get ready for endless entertainment with the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2 promising next-level gaming experiences for all ages. Number 3. Elevate self-care with the innovative Shark LED Face Mask a surprising game-changer for skincare enthusiasts. Number 4. Unleash creativity and productivity with the versatile iPad perfect for everything from graphic design to binge-watching. Number 5. Enhance any smart home with the latest Amazon Echo offering advanced AI assistance and seamless connectivity. These aren't just gadgets, they're gateways to new experiences and unforgettable memories. Make 2025 the year you give the gift of cutting-edge technology. You'll be their favorite person, guaranteed.